Rebecca. I'm the founder of Marli's Kitchen Vegan Soul Food, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my plantain and black bean stew with coconut rice. It's really quick and easy to make and full of so much flavour and tasty. Rice, 3 peppers, 1 onion, 1 scotch bonnet, 1 chilli, 2 plantains, 2 cans of black beans, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of chopped tomatoes, tomato passata and 1 tomato. And then spices, smoked paprika, ground coriander, allspice, bay leaves. Thing inside and then just crack it open. Usually drilled in inside. Why? When like saying to festivals,
It's just like, I hate when they try and
oh, have you heard from Betty? Generous amount of some salt. I mean, sugar. Oh, this is sugar, right? Tablespoon of oil. Added smoked paprika, so it's really important that the black bean stew has got a lovely sort of meaty taste even though it's vegan. So how we get that is by adding smoked paprika, like a generous amount of smoked paprika. Gives it a lovely smoky flavour to the beans. Keep cooking down the onions until they go lovely soft and see-through. Should usually take about 5 minutes. so the stew is just simmering slightly, and then leave it to cook for 20 minutes. So all of the vegetables soften and the plantains cook through.